Hey guys, it's Stephanie and today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me video. I haven't done one of these in a long time. But anyways, today I'm going to a wedding, so I figured I'd show you guys how I beat my face for a wedding. I did a really soft glam. I was going for like a rose gold pinkish type of glam today. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I just styled my hair as well in this little natural hair faux hawk thing. So yeah, and I really like how everything came out. Yeah. So anyways, make sure you give this video a big fat thumbs up. Just hit the thumbs up button right now. Do it. I'm watching you. And also hit that subscribe button. And make sure you click the little bell button so you're notified every single time I upload. Okay? Because you don't want to miss another video from yours truly. So make sure you hit that bell button and subscribe. And without further ado, let's jump right into this video.
Sorry if it's hard.
So as always, we're starting off with a bare face. I fill in my eyebrows off camera because I nobody got time to watch an eyebrow tutorial. And I'm priming my face with my BECCA primer and my FENTY Beauty primer. And I just mixed the two and I'm just putting that on my face. You know how that goes. Next, I'm going to be priming my eyelids with the LA Girl Pro Concealer.
Don't be afraid to tell me if you ain't with it. I see your focus.
And of course, after priming, you got to set it in place. I'm taking my Mercier translucent powder to set that. And I'm also swiping this or putting it all over my face as well to set the primer and help my face from getting oily. Next, I'm taking this color in the JUVIA'S palette. I forgot the name, but it will be in the description box down below. Yeah, so I'm taking this color and I'm just putting that in my crease. I'm taking another one of the JUVIA'S palettes and taking that color and putting that right on top of that color. And then I'm taking this pink color in that JUVIA'S Masquerade palette, and I'm taking that and kind of focusing it on the outer parts of my crease. And I'm taking this color in another JUVIA'S palette, and I'm putting that like right on top to blend the pink and the browns and the oranges. And I'm taking this lighter pink color in the palette and putting that on my lid, and it wasn't doing enough justice, so I went back in with another pink from the same palette to kind of get the effect that I was looking for. And this didn't quite do it either. I really wanted to kind of foil my eyes a little bit, so I'm taking this pink color and going back in my crease because I wanted to deepen up that pink. Then I'm taking the Artist Couture LeBron's Jackie AINA highlight thing, and I'm putting that on my lid, and that's what sold me. Like, I was like, yes, that's what I was looking for. That's what I needed. I'm taking this brown to kind of deepen up that pink because it was too like vibrant, so I wanted to kind of deepen it up a little bit, smoke it out just a little bit. And I'm taking La Peach by Jackie AINA Artist Couture collab, and I'm putting that in the inner corner as well as my brow bone to highlight my inner corner and brow bone. And then I'm going to put LeBron's right on top of La Peach, and I liked how the two looked, so yeah. And I'm just wiping off all that fallout and fixing up my eyelid. I wanted to kind of add more of that LeBron's. And now it's time for foundation. I'm taking my Fenty Beauty foundation and just, you know, applying it.
Sorry if it's hard to catch.
Next, I'm taking my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer and I'm just putting that under my eyes to conceal.
Are you down for the ride? It's not easy for someone to catch my eye, but I've been waiting for you for my whole damn life.
Now I'm just blending it out with a damp beauty blender sponge.
Don't be afraid to tell me if you ain't with it. I see your focus, yeah, you're so independent. It's hard for me to.
And next I'm going with the Tarte Tape Shape Concealer to highlight the rest of my face. And I'm putting this under my eyes again as well because I really wanted to have a bright under eye for this look. Like, I wanted my under eyes to be snatched, okay? And I just put it everywhere else to, you know, do the whole highlighting contour spiel that you guys have seen. Y'all know how this goes. Next, I'm just taking that Laura Mercier powder that I showed earlier, and I'm just setting the concealer, well, baking a little bit. Well, setting and baking, because I press it in and then I just leave a little bit to like bake, I guess. But I don't leave it for a super long time. And I'm taking my Fenty Beauty Matchstick Trio. I'm taking the contour shade, and I'm just putting that in the hollows of my cheeks, and then I'm blending it out.
Don't be afraid to tell me if you ain't with it. I see you focus, see you so independent.
Next, I'm taking the contour kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm taking the 3 darkest shades, and I just mix them all together to form the perfect contour powder shade. And I'm just taking that on the brush and setting that contour that I did earlier, and also taking this around my temple and my forehead just to warm up my face. And now I'm dusting away the powder from under my eyes and the rest of my face. And then I'm going to go ahead and contour my nose with all this powder is dusted out.
Baby, you gon' make me overnight it. Tell me how you down, if you're down.
I'm taking the same 3 shades in the Anastasia contour kit to contour my nose, if you're wondering. Next, I'm taking the MAC Studio Fix powder in NC45, and this is my skin color. So I just take this on a big old fluffy brush, and I just swipe this all over my face just to blend everything together so everything on my face is cohesive and seamless and airbrush. Take my MAC blush in Burnt Pepper, and I'm putting that on the apples of my cheeks as well as dragging it out a little bit just to, you know, give me that nice flushed look. And now I'm taking some of the pink shadow in my crease, and I'm putting that along my waterline. And I'm taking a brown eyeliner. This is the Marc Jacobs Highliner. It's the brown one, and I'm just putting this on my waterline. And I'm also going to put it on my upper lash line as well. I didn't want to use anything dramatic because I really liked the shadow, so I just put a little bit of brown eyeliner just to, you know, deepen it up a little bit. Now I'm taking some more of that lip peach and just popping that back in my inner corner. I wanted it to be very, very bright, so I'm taking these lashes from Sephora, House of Lashes, in the type YVETTE, and I'm just putting those on.
So baby, tell me where your low lies. Waste a day and spend the night underneath the sun.
And now I'm just putting on some mascara to blend the fake lashes with my real lashes. I put it on the top and bottom. Next, I'm taking my Urban Decay All Nighter Spray, and I'm just spraying this to lock all my makeup in place. These same Diamond Glow powders from the AINA collection. I'm mixing both Le Bronze and Le Peach for my highlight today, and I never did this before, and I really liked how the two look mixed. So I'm definitely going to be doing this more often. But yeah, I'm just highlighting all the focal points of my face. Y'all know how it goes.
I see you focus, see you so independent. It's not for me to open up a limit. You got some shit to say and I'm here to listen.
So baby, tell me where your love lies. Waste a day and spend the night underneath the sunrise. Show me where your love lies.
Next, I'm taking my NYX lip liner in brown, and I'm just using this to line my lips for my lip color. And then I'm taking my NYX lip lingerie in the color Exotic, I believe. And I'm just putting this in the center of my mouth. Well, not my mouth, my lips. And then I'm using my finger to just pat it down and just kind of like blend it in with the lip liner. And this completes the makeup look. So now for the hair, my friend Ruby, shout out to her, helped me with my hair. I showed her this YouTube video and I was like, can you help me do this? And she was like, I got you, sis. So yeah, it's pretty much just this bow hawk. I'll link the YouTube video that we used to get this hairstyle down below, but I really love how my hair turned out. I'm going to be doing this style a lot more often. And yeah, it's super cute. And yeah, if you guys want me to film a tutorial with Ruby on this hairstyle, let me know. But I will link the tutorial that I saw on YouTube that helped me get this faux hawk.
Sorry if it's hard to catch my vibe. I need a lover to trust, tell me you're on my side. Are you down for the ride? It's not easy for someone to catch my eye, but I've been waiting for you for my whole damn.
So this is the outfit. My dress is from Fashion Nova. I will link it down below if it's still available. Yeah, I just wore this black dress with like these trumpet sleeves from Fashion Nova. And here's just like a full body picture. So I wore the heels that I wore at prom and like this little pink clutch. So I did like black with like baby pink accessories. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys liked the look. Yeah, I really liked how the look turned out. I honestly just kind of winged it, and I knew I wanted to do something pink, but I wasn't sure like what direction I was going to go into. So as I was doing the eyeshadow, I was just like choosing different colors and blending and just trial and error to get this look. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Comment down below what you liked about the look, or just comment down below anything. I just like reading your guys' comments. So yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Show me what your love like.